So the next award, it is Whittingham International Energy Award with citation for leadership in developing new energy technologies as per FLOGEN sustainability framework in environmental, economic, and social point of view. And the winner is Branislav Klocok.
Okay, so for sure I didn't expect that, but thank you very much, and I wish Florian all the best in his efforts, and hope to receive many more awards like this in the future. Thank you.
So you have been battling with energy issues all your recent life. Yes, so that's why you are getting this award, because until now you are succeeded to keeping things going.
So award for suffering.
And for the future success on energy, because that's your main concern, correct? Thank you.